Bring back the roses to the dells, the swallow from her distant clime, the honeybee from drowsy cells. Bring back the friendship of the sun, the gilded evenings calm and late, when merry children homeward run, and peeping stars bid lovers wait. Bring back the singing and the scent of meadowlands at dewy pride. Oh, bring again my heart's content, thou spirit of the summertime. Oh, spirit of the summertime, bring back the roses to the dells, the swallow from her distant clime, the honeybee from drowsy cells. Bring back the friendship of the sun, the gilded evenings calm and late, when merry children homeward run, and peeping stars bid lovers wait. Bring back the singing and the scent of meadowlands at dewy pride. Oh, bring again my heart's content, thou spirit of